It's great that there are so many bird lovers that want to learn even more about birds. In my opinion, the best free tool for learning more about birds and their songs and calls is the Merlin Bird ID app. For the sound ID option, just tap on the microphone and wait to see what birds it detects. For the Explore option, you can scroll through the list of birds or type a name. Get information about each bird, see numerous pictures, hear their songs and calls, and see a map of their range. For the photo option, you can either upload or take a photo. It then will give you the best matches. The Start Bird ID option lets you answer some simple questions, and then it will give you the best matches. I hope this is helpful for you. Happy birding!